No, 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 no. Again, you're getting wrong. You're thinking attachment is of this body mind, and this body mind is attached to this thing, and it's less attached in the dream because this thing is not there. Wrong understanding. You're starting again from the wrong side. You're starting with the assumption, I am the body mind in the waking state. Wrong. I am the witness of the waking state. I am the witness of the dream state. When this witnessing sharpens, it needs sharpening, that is called viveka. When this witnessing sharpens, I will be able to see that the waking state is equally insequential, random, nonsensical. And some of us already see it. We just don't want to acknowledge it. No, 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 no. The ego hates acknowledging the truth. You are a liar. Simple. You are a liar. You see how nonsensical it is. You see how insequential it is. Yes? You are not ready to accept the truth. That's it. The more you sharpen the sword of Viveka. Viveka means the power to discriminate between real and illusory. Yeah? The more you sharpen Viveka, it becomes so clear to you. The witness can see in the dream. You do not need eyes to see. Oh, it was a wrong assumption of the waking state. The witness can hear in the dream. The witness can taste, touch, smell. Oh, all happens in the dream first. In the dream, there is proper sequence in that particular dream. In one dream, there is proper sequence. In between those sequences, there are periods of nothingness. Poof. Now you start coming to the waking state with that sharpened viveka and you see exactly the same thing is happening. There are periods of boof, nothingness. And then again there is everything, the waking state, the waking thought appears. It seems sequential, it seems sensible. It is actually nonsensical. Ego does not want to accept it. That's it. This will also come up ahead in Ashtavakra. He explains all these things. So, very good question. How can I get there? I have to sharpen my ability to witness. My ability of witnessing is not sharpened enough because I keep switching the eye from the witness to the body mind. Yeah? So, sharpening the witness simply means sharpening viveka. Yeah? I have started removing the white pebbles from the rice and saying this is the truth. I have stopped lying. I have stopped faking. Do you get it? So, nothing to beat yourself about, nothing to feel bad about. It's just that we spiritually mature slowly. Earlier, I was immature. Now I am more mature. That's it, period. No more beating yourself up for it. Clear? Now, just use Viveka and see. I will record a few self-explorations and keep posting in flock. Please, those who are not in flock, see that you join the Ashtavakra flock and start responding there too. I will post audios. I don't have the time to create videos for so many, but whenever I'm on a walk or doing something, I'll create a 5, 10, 15 minute self-exploration on small things, a small self-inquiry meditation. I'll post the audios. Yeah? You start experimenting and see all these things. All these things that I have taught you, I've taught a lot of stuff in 2 days. It's all an intensive course together. Crash course bolte ho na? It's a crash course. But you cannot just assume that you know all of it. No, you do not know anything. Start with that. Zero. Intellectually, I must have got a few points, but I have to experiment, I have to verify and get there experientially. Clear? So number one, no overconfidence allowed. Ban overconfidence, not allowed. Yes, I know it is the biggest disease on this path. I am not going to get stung by this disease. I am not going to get bitten by this. No. I'm going to be very clear. I do not see this point. I make notes. I attempt to see it first in my Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana. If I do not see it still, I post in flock. Please, can you explain this? Whenever I get a little time, I'll record a self-exploration or a self-inquiry pertaining to your question. Post it in flock. Everybody else can benefit from it then. If you're too shy, send me a flock message one-on-one. Yeah? Then I'll post the question and answer anonymously without your name. Clear? But you have to become very clear, experientially. Jnana Sangha is not the intellectual scripture collection path. There are other avenues for that. Here we do it experientially. Clear?